Silver continues to hold its ground this morning. Will it go up this week? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Let's get started. Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. We made it to another Monday. We woke up 6 feet above ground, and that's all that matters. Happy coffee. If you just clicked on this video, stay with us. You're on a different channel. And we talk about silver and gold and our current silver and gold prices, everybody. What is going on with silver this Monday? Is silver going to come back up and recover past $80 an ounce this week? There is a possibility, if things change, that we will go up. Right now, we seem to be, the 70s seem to be the big mark, which is very, very good for silver. We have still rocketed for a 12-month rolling period. Silver is up, everybody. So you got to look at it like that, and you can't look at it like, hey, $100 an ounce I paid for silver. It's a long-term hold, everybody, and silver is holding well above $70 an ounce every day, everybody. So it is doing fantastic. Let's look at it this morning. Happy coffee, everybody. But before... happy coffee. And by the way, guys, don't forget, somebody's going to get a gold back. And this is not just any gold back. This is a special edition PMG 67 gold back, guys, colorized shield right here. Number 255 of 2,500. They only made 250,000 Washington, D.C. 250th anniversary goldbacks, guys. So this is a special one provided by Goldback themselves, everybody, and we appreciate that donation. And so somebody's getting that at 10,000 subscribers, everybody, and our current subscriber count, so everybody knows, 9,615. So it's official. Under 400 views before somebody gets that goal back. So we're getting close, guys. I'm just the quarterback. You're the team, and you make this channel successful. So thank you to all of you all over the world. We're just from my living room to yours. So let's get on to silver, everybody. And, oh, by the way, allergies in full force this morning, if you can't tell. Oh, my gosh. All right, well, gold is at 4,543 this morning, everybody, and it's actually up about $4 from what it was. Silver is it's holding strong. It's down a little bit. It's been over $76 an ounce for most of this morning that I've been up, and so it's down this morning a little bit. Got to sneeze. Allergies in full force, everybody. Oh my gosh. I might be hitting the pause button more than once this morning, right? So anyway, silver 75.66 right now. It's been holding 76 a lot of the morning, and we're going to find out really today if we hold where we're at, if we go up. Oil is still really, really high, everybody. Platinum is at 1,977 or 987, and wow, palladium 977. Yeah, platinum's at 1,977, and palladium is at $1,392, everybody. So that being said, hey, we've had some pretty big corrections in the last few days. Friday was a big correction of about 11%, everybody. And we're going to have these corrections on our silver and our gold. But I still see silver going up. There's too many things in play to keep silver, really to hold it back, everybody. Even the manipulation of the silver prices, or even the oil prices, even the issues going on in the Middle East, everybody. I still think silver is too strong to be held back and will continue to pile drive its way up to 100 as soon as July. Could it happen sooner than that? Yes. I mean, anything can happen, but we got to get things settled down in the Middle East before our silver really, really rockets. And, we're going to talk about what is going to happen. What are you going to do if silver rockets back over $100 an ounce? We'll talk about that in a minute. After all, we are a team and we get to discuss these things on this channel is what makes it so much fun. Hong Kong, everybody, it's down to about where we are at, $4,533. On gold and silver is at 75.07. Now Mumbai is 4,540, or a little bit higher than Hong Kong on silver at $75.40. With those 40-mile-an-hour south winds blowing up that's dust and everything, boy. And I worked outside yesterday. The allergies are smoking me, guys. So please forgive me for my nasally sound, maybe, and been sneezing and coughing all morning. It is what it is, That's part of it. So, everybody, let's look at the gold to silver ratio. Silver is losing out just a little bit. There for a while it was cranking. We're at the gold to silver ratio is 60.05, so 60 to 1 right now. Really a good thing. So if you want to trade 60 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold, here you go. If you got a couple 100 ounces of silver, or 3 or 4, or 60 ounces, this might be a good time for you to trade for gold. For me, I particularly am a silver guy. So, if I wanted to trade for gold, it would need to be about 20 to 1. And then I could get several ounces of gold. Will it ever happen? I don't know. We're going to find out. But hey, things are still doing really, really good for silver. The green lights are on, everybody. And hey, this is an opportunity right now for me, because I'm getting ready to hit the button on some more silver, everybody. And right now, let me tell you what I'm concentrating on right now, and then we'll move on to our base metals, everyone. But right now, I am concentrating on some bullion, some heavy stuff right now. I do have a lot of the collectible coins that I enjoy, some graded coins that I enjoy. We did get in, and so I am putting the pressure on myself to build up that bullion stack. Although I do have enough, I've sold it a couple of times, and not all of it, a little bit of it. And so I need to build it back up and get the old bank vault filled back up. Not really, guys. I don't have a bank vault full of silver like some of them claim to have. Although I do know some people that do. So I do know some people, and that's the honest to God truth. I have friends that have a lot of silver, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 ounces, 7,000 ounces of silver. That is a lot of silver, everybody. The big boys on this channel, hell, they might have 5, 6, 7,000 ounces of silver. Who knows? Anyway, let's look at copper, guys. Copper, still well over $6. It's at $6.13. It's down from $6.38 on Friday, actually Thursday, and it went down on Friday. So it went down quite a bit. I see it coming back up. Nickel kind of the same, but it didn't go down as much, everybody. It's $8.35. And aluminum still holding in about $1.65, everybody. Let's look at our gold backs. They should be the same as they were from Friday. It's going to be interesting to see what happens with gold backs today. $9.07 exchange rate, as I reported on Saturday. Now, the Shanghai and India market. Now, Shanghai spot is at 84 and a quarter. They're always about $10 higher than us, roughly. And they're, when Shanghai is high, everybody's high, right? But Shanghai, guys, is buying silver by the cruise ship loads. I mean, they're buying as much as they possibly can. There's going to be a time, everybody. There's going to be a time where everybody is going to get caught off guard, and the COMEX warehouses, all that, aren't going to have any silver. And it's already happened once before in London, where they didn't have any silver to cover anything. And it's going to happen here. It's going to happen in the United States. It's going to happen everywhere. Everybody's going to get caught with their pants down. Silver's going to skyrocket. And then what's going to happen? Are you going to buy? Are you going to sell? What's going to happen? Are the dealers going to buy it from you? We'll talk about that in just a second. I keep, as I move along in my videos, everybody, I don't actually write anything down. When I decide that I want to talk about something, I research it, and then we just talk about it. Everything that comes out of my mouth is generic. It's not on a piece of paper. It's not something I have studied and studied and studied. So as we move along in the video, sometimes I think about, hey, well, what happens, if my viewers are asking this question, well, I'm asking that question. So maybe we ought to talk about that. So let's move on to our dollar, guys. The dollar is down to 99.27. So the dollar is starting to weaken. If the dollar continues to start to weaken, we should have a upward movement in our silver along with oil. So we're at 99.27 on the dollar, everybody. And on oil right now, we're at 106.28. Yesterday, $107 a barrel. And one of my viewers said, hey, you said $155 a barrel on oil on Saturday. I never saw that. I don't see that anywhere. What people want to hear what they want to hear, $155 a barrel. I went back and I thought, you made me question SSC. So I went back and I listened to the video, and sure enough, I said 105.51, I believe it was. So remember, everybody, I do make mistakes. So if you question something that I said, I will go back and check it, and then I'll laugh about it, because that is just the way this channel is. So, oh my gosh. All right. Had to clear my throat a little bit, everybody. So here we go. 106.28 on oil. Is oil going to go down today, guys? Everybody put your predictions out there, because I think it's going to go up this week. A lot of the big players think that oil is going to come down and silver is going to actually go up this week. So we're going to find out. I have to clear these eyes out, guys. What happens if silver goes to $100 an ounce? So let's talk about this, because right now is a buying opportunity for silver. We're at $75.56. I saw it go down to $74 an ounce last night before I went to bed. And I actually was thinking, yesterday, if we started a downward trend on silver, when I woke up in the morning, we were going to be down. So we actually kind of held strong overnight. And this is a buying opportunity for me and for you on silver. So what happens, guys, when it hits 100? Are you going to continue to dollar cost average and buy silver and build your silver stack? Just like anything else, guys, prices go up. it doesn't necessarily stop everybody from buying silver. People do panic sell silver thinking they're going to miss out, fear of missing out, the FOMO. They're going to miss out on the high prices of silver and never see it again and lose all this money. And they're not, guys. It's a long-term hold. This is a good buying opportunity. If it hits 100, are you going to buy silver? I have bought silver at 100, and I have bought silver at 30 and 28, guys. And I've bought silver at 60 and 70 and 78 and 80. So it's up and down. It's dollar cost average. So I'm going to buy some from my buddy Mike and some bullion and all that good stuff and whatever Mrs. SSC likes, of course. And I will continue to buy at $100 an ounce when it hits there once again. So what are you going to do, everyone? Are you still buying out in this opportunity right now? Will silver hold? It's 4:55 a.m. Will it hold out throughout the morning where some of you can get out and buy some silver? I'm thinking we're going to hold out between 75 and 77 today. It's a very, very good possibility. I think we will climb throughout the week once again. Fridays are looking like the gloom and doom days. Although we have 1 week, it's 80, ends up 80, and the next week it ends up 75. So silver does what it wants to do. It has its own frame of mind, and it'll make a fool of you every time, everybody. But it'll also make you a very good amount of money. And it doesn't matter how much you have, everybody. If you have 5 ounces, if you have 1 ounce, if you have 100, if you have 500, if you have 1,000 ounces, it doesn't matter what you have. So, hey, keep stacking what you enjoy, what you like. Stack your copper. I love my copper. We did our copper video yesterday. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I'll put it at the end of this video. It was a lot of fun. It's very, very long. I show all my pickups, whether it's silver, gold, numismatic coins. It doesn't matter what it is on Super Copper Sundays. If you're new, check it out, everybody. So let's do one last look at silver and gold. And let's make sure you make some comments and watch these videos through, everybody. It helps the algorithm. $4,542 on gold, everyone. Silver is at $75.64 right now, starting to come back up. So we're thinking 75, 77. What's your thoughts today, everybody? Make sure to comment. Make sure to comment. What's your thoughts? Let's talk to each other on this. Are we going to hit 80 this week again? Are we going to go up to 85, 87? Anything is possible with silver, because silver can climb $10, $15 in 1 day. And it can drop $10, $15 in 1 day. So everybody have a fantastic Monday. It's Monday once again, Memorial Day weekend coming up, honoring our veterans. That's why I've got my hat on, everybody. And so thank you, all my veterans. I'm sure I have a lot of you on here. I want to tell you thank you for your service. If it wasn't for you, we might be speaking different languages. So I'm glad for our veterans, guys. So when you see a veteran, you better thank that veteran, okay? Because they fought for you, everybody. So SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America, Heavenly Father, please bless my viewers. Bless you. God bless you. And bless those in need. Bless those that are less fortunate than we are with our silver, with our gold, God, and let us be appreciative to you for that. So everybody have a fantastic Monday. Amen. SSC, Oklahoma, United States, I'm out.